Welcome to the channel, guys. In this video we are going to learn about how to calculate the weight of steel channels and bracing pipes. ISMC channel 125 is used for purlins and round pipes for bracings. So let's find out the quantity required for the above structure. Now let's find the weight for ISMC 125 used for purlins. Let's find the cross-sectional area first. Details provided based on the cross-sectional view. Here are the ISMC 125 properties as per IS 808 steel table. Cross-sectional area calculation is done below. For ISMC sections, now let's convert the cross-sectional, the result from square millimeters to square meters. Density of steel equals 7,850 kilograms per cubic meter. Finally, the total weight per meter is 13.1 kilograms per meter. The total length of ISMC channel used for purlins equals 180 meters. Now let's find the area for the bracing pipes required in the shed. Let's calculate using steel pipes formula as per IS 1239 Part 1. For round pipes, standard formula is W equals A times density. Cross-sectional area, formula A equals pi over 4 times, open parenthesis, D2 minus D2, close parenthesis. Pi over 4 equals 0.785 D equals outer diameter, D equals inner diameter, equals outer diameter, minus 2 times of wall thickness. T equals wall thickness of pipes between outer diameter and inner diameter. As per the site, we required bracing pipe of size 76 mm. Wall thickness is of 3.2 mm and total 120 meter length. Now let's execute the formula and see the result. The weight of round pipe required at site is 5.74 kilograms per meter. Now calculate the required total weight. Let's move on to final step for calculating total quantity of steel required for site. Based on the results, we required total steel of 7.7 metric tons. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos for boosting.